Alright, I'm here at a mall area, La Cantera, San Antonio, for the Eclipse. I thought there was a lot of places to park with some little grassy areas, and it seemed like a lot of people had the same idea. There's some people even, like kind of lawn chairs out in little grassy areas or rocky areas. I prefer the grass, but we found a spot no one's grabbed yet. But I wasn't the only one who had this idea. It's really cloudy right now. We might just see it get dark. Eclipse glasses. That's a reflection of my car. Got the Gladiator out here. Got to unbuckle the dog. We brought a little picnic out here. Hold on. Here's our little setup. We just put out the lawn chairs. These are those body glove ones I got at Sam's. They're okay. I've been liking them. And I just love this hook. If you haven't seen any videos where I praised that already, I love that hook on the Jeep Gladiator just to put the dog. Alright, so here's my view. I'm gonna see the sky pretty good. Sun's straight up there, but look, there's a break in the clouds. Or that one spot. We might not see too much of the clouds, but I got a nice little view out here. It's kind of nice to come do this out here right now. Actually, I wouldn't mind doing this on a normal day. Nice little grassy area. Okay. I've been making it a standard too to bring the Stanley. I've been liking it. I don't know if I like it everyday use, but I like it when we go on a little like camping or picnicking or something. Because I like how you can just drink a little, leave it alone, and it won't all melt on you or get hot. So you don't have to rush to drink it while it's cold and not diluted. You know, you can take your time. Take a few sips, put down, get some later, hours later. So I would recommend the little rubber on the bottom. You can get that stuff. And a top here. It's like a no germ thing, I guess. Got this at, I think I got or just this one at Dollar Tree, I think it was. It has a sheath. I don't know if they still sell that. So we got a little sandwich bar going here. We brought some chips and dip too. Oh, I'm still loving this Rothko bag. It's a Rothko canvas, like the old Korean War, World War II canvas. Throw picnic stuff and stuff like this all the time. So, forgot to mention, we're in the path of totality. I had to drive up here because it cut through San Antonio. And as a matter of fact, there's a 30-second difference on the map between where I'm standing here by the Dillards in La Cantera and if you were like on the other side of that parking lot right there. There's a 30-second difference. So probably like those people over there have a 30-second difference. So it looks like on the map. Or it might be slightly over more, but actually I'm like right on the edge of the line. For 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I believe it was. It's getting a little bit darker, but we're waiting for totality, which is, I don't know, it's like 124 right now, and 133 I think is what's going to happen. It's really cloudy, can't see none, but it is getting darker. That's apparent. Getting colder? I feel breezier, but I don't think it has anything to do with the eclipse right here. I'm looking into my phone now. I saw it peek through. For some reason, you can see it peek through the clouds, and you see the eclipse. I can't see nothing through there. Ooh, it's getting a lot darker. Oh, okay.
Can't even see. Am I looking right?
I guess so. Yeah, it did again. It's getting darker. Hey, even the... Did you see the lights turned on? It's getting dark now. Ain't nothing to see up there. Just shadowy. But it is getting dark. Like really dark, right? I think we're about 2 or 3 minutes away from complete totality. We're getting our lights on too now. Oh, it's getting really dark. It's like noticeably dark now. Might keep this rolling. See? You said it was gonna be nothing. I want to see how dark it gets. Should be people driving through this. Look at that. Yeah, it's all over the news. Have you heard? People they're saying not to stop when you're in the middle of the road. It looks darker in real life than it does what I'm seeing on my camera. Maybe just the brightness. Ain't nothing up there though. Ooh, it's like noticeably. It's like somebody's dimming it, right? There we go. The time of totality has arrived. Actually, it's coming. I think it's still a minute off or two. Hey, these birds are like flying around weird. All of a sudden, there's a bunch of birds started flying around. I don't know if I caught it on camera because I flipped it around. This is probably totality right here. A lot of birds chirping. Look, what's going on there? It's probably Fiesta, Texas or something. We're close to Fiesta, Texas, so it's probably Fiesta, Texas. There's a chopper going around too. I can't see it though. Probably up in the clouds. So it's 1:33 right now. It's supposed to last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, alright? Get it later. Jonah knocked the chair down. People from the store are starting to come out. I think it's starting to light up, right? Alright, I'm getting the videos. What do you do? You gotta flip the camera. Can't take a picture with another phone. You got it? Still can't see that. Oh, look at that. Well, that was a nice surprise there, right? I think that sun's coming back out now. Oh, he was going crazy because of the things away. Because of fireworks.
You don't like all
He doesn't like thunder, so I guess it's...
It's all shaking.
It scared my dog. Jonah, calm down. That sun's still coming out now.
It's all over. It's all over. Now go back down. Go down.